There are times when we need information regarding the total number of observations less than or more than a given value. In statistics, we can calculate this using what is called the cumulative frequency. Depending on the question being asked, there are two types of cumulative frequency that can be calculated. When looking for the number of observations less than a given value, we calculate the less than cumulative frequency. For the number of observations more than a given value, we calculate the more than cumulative frequency. Let's look at an example of the application of the less than cumulative frequency. The table gives the number of cases of dengue recorded within the first 4 weeks of the epidemic. The number of cases of dengue recorded in less than 8 days is 3, since no cases were recorded prior to that. As a general rule, for cumulative frequency of the less than type, the first cumulative frequency is the same as the frequency for that interval. However, if we wanted to calculate the number of cases recorded in less than 15 days, then we simply add the number of cases recorded in first and the second weeks. In this case, we add 3 and 24 to get a total of 27 cases recorded in the first 2 weeks of the spread of the epidemic. Likewise, we can calculate the number of cases recorded in less than 22 and less than 29 days respectively. We can conclude by saying that the less than type cumulative frequency is nothing but the running total of frequencies up to a given value, including the frequency for that value. Let us now look at calculating the more than type of cumulative frequency. For this, let's take the example of the number of students holding jobs through the campus placement process and the packages that they have been offered. The number of students who were offered a package more than 10,000 rupees a month is equal to total number of students placed since the minimum package offered is rupees 10,000. As a general rule, for cumulative frequency of the more than type, the first cumulative frequency is the same as the total number of observations. The number of students who were offered a package of more than rupees 15,000 per month will be equal to the total number of students, 47 in this case, minus number of students who got package between 10 to 15,000, 10 in this case. Hence, we can see that 37 students were offered a package of more than rupees 15,000 per month. Similarly, we can find the number of students who were offered a package of more than 20,000 per month and those that were offered a package of more than 25,000 per month. Therefore, cumulative frequency of the more than type is obtained by calculating the total number of observations or the sum of all the frequencies and then subsequently deducting the frequency of the preceding class intervals.